Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on the NDSU website or the North Dakota State University. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ndsu.edu/hr and press enter. You will now be taken into the NDSU website where you will find the current employee resources button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be taken into the employee or HR login portal. Go ahead and type in your user ID that you have been given while creating your account and then enter your account password within the password box. After entering both of these, click on the login button and you will be logged into your HR account on NDSU right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can find the Forgot Your Password button underneath the login box, from which you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on NDSU website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.